Oh, you put on the Beauty and Beast costume, eh?
Mm-hmm. It's the prettiest.
All right. Just stand right over there.
I'm sort of nervous. Suppose I don't photograph well.
You don't have to worry about that. If I hadn't been sure, I wouldn't have brought you halfway around the world.
What'll I do?
Well, we'll start with a profile. When I start cranking, I hold it a minute and then turn slowly toward me. You see me. You smile a little, then you listen, and then you laugh. All right? Camera.
Looks kind of silly, don't it?
Pretty damn, huh?
You think maybe he'd like to take my picture, huh?
Them cameras cost money. Shouldn't think he'd risk it.
Oh, that's fine, Ann. Now we'll try one with a filter, eh?
Do you always take the pictures yourself?
Ever since the trip I made to Africa, I'd have got a swell picture of a charging rhino, but the cameraman got scared. That darn fool, I was right there with a rifle. Seems he didn't trust me to get the rhino before it got him. I haven't fooled with cameraman sense to do it myself.
Think he's crazy, Skipper?
Just enthusiastic.
Now, Ann, in this one, you're looking down. When I start to crank, you look up slowly. You're quite calm. You don't expect to see a thing. Then you just follow my directions. All right? Camera. Look up slowly, Ann. That's it. You don't see anything. Now look higher. Still higher. Now you see it. You're amazed. You can't believe it. Your eyes open wider. It's horrible, Ann, but you can't look away. There's no chance for you, Ann. No escape. You're helpless, Ann, helpless. There's just one chance. If you can scream, but your throat's paralyzed. Try to scream, Ann. Try. Perhaps if you didn't see it, you could scream. Throw your arms across your eyes and scream, Ann. Scream for your life.
What's he think she's really gonna see?
This infernal fog. Sure of your position, Skipper?
Of course. Last night before this fog shut down, I got a good sight.
We should be near the island.
We don't see it when this fog lifts, we never will. We've quartered these parts.
You can't see a hand in front of your face.
Hey, Charlie, I wish you'd make your soup as thick as this.
No, put him at 30.
Norwegian skipper must have been guessing at the position.
How will we know it's the right island?
The mountain that looks like a skull.
Oh, yes, I'd forgotten. You told me. Skull Mountain.
20. Shallowing fast. Mr. Brigg, dead slow. Dead slow, sir.
Confound this fog.
16.
What's she draw, Skipper?
4. Why don't the old man heave to till it clears?
Tain't the old man. It's that crazy guy, Denham.
Listen. You hear anything?
No.
Breakers ahead! Let go!
That's not breakers. That's drums.
Well, Skipper, now that the fog's lifted, do you see anybody?
Not a living thing.
Funny they haven't spotted us. I'd think the whole population would be on the beach.
Listen.
Maybe they have spotted us and they're signaling. Well, Skipper, do you believe me now? There it is. Skull Mountain, the wall, everything just like on my funny little map. Come on, let's get started.
All right. 12 men go ashore with you and the rest stay aboard.
Have we got a good man with those gas bombs?
Uh-huh.
I think you better go along, Skipper. You may be able to talk to these birds ashore.
All right. Mr. Adams.
Aye, sir.
You'll take charge of the ship.
Aye, sir.
I'm going ashore with you, aren't I?
You bet.
I don't think she ought to go till we find out what's going on.
Now, wait a minute. Who's running the show? I found out from experience always to keep my cast and my cameras right with me. Never can tell when you want them.
Yeah, but you're crazy to risk...
Now, Jack, run along and deal out the rifles and ammunition. And get me a couple of Huskies to carry my stuff. And, Jack, don't forget the costume box. If we're lucky enough, we may get a swell shot right away. Come on, Ed.
All right, boys, let's go. Take it easy with that camera.
Okay.
Plenty of ammunition for those guns?
Yes, sir. Be careful with those bombs.
All right, Briggs, now we get a look at Denham's Island. Stand by to lower away.
Stick close to me. Okay, Mr. Denham. Who's got the bombs?
I have some.
Now watch your step with them. There's enough trichloride in there to put a herd of hippos to sleep.
Aye, sir.
What queer-looking boats.
Yeah. Outrigger canoes.
Driscoll, I'll on two men left here to guard the boat.
It's all attended to, sir.
Good. We all ready then? Come on.
Soul in sight. People must all be gathered up ahead there.
That wall, Skipper. What do you think of that, eh?
Colossal. It might almost be Egyptian.
Yeah, but what's on the other side of that wall? That's what I want to know.
Who do you suppose could have built it?
Oh, I was up in Angkor once. That's bigger than this, and nobody knows who built it.
Oh, boy, what a chance. What a picture. Come on. Hear that? They're saying, come, come.
Hope you talk their lingo, Skipper.
You catch any words yet?
I'm not sure. It sounds something like the language the Nias Islanders speak.
What do you suppose is happening?
Oh, they're up to some of their heathen tricks. But don't go rushing out to sea.
All right, but isn't it exciting?
Sure. I wish we'd left you on the ship.
Oh, I'm so glad you did.
Wait, easy now. Wait till I see what goes on. Holy mackerel, what a show. Hey, Skipper, come here and get a load of this. Ever see anything like that before in your life? If I could only get a picture before they see us. Hey, you with the camera. Come here.
I want to see.
Come on. Pull up, but be careful.
Too late, they see us.
Let's beat it. Hey, what are you running for?
No use trying to hide now. Everybody come out in plain sight.
Badu! Makamineko in sorrow.
scram out of here. Stand still, you fool.
Steady, boys. Bluff 'em.
Watu! Tamadi! Tamadi!
Come on, Skipper. Make him a friendly speech.
Tabe. Bala kum no hi. Bala. Bala.
Balariri! Costco! Costco!
He understands you, Skipper. What does he say?
Telling us to get out.
Well, talk him out of it. Ask him what goes on.
Vani di humya. Malem ani humya vana.
Anasaba Kong!
He says the girl there is the bride of Kong.
Great! Find out what they're going to do.
Costco!
What's that?
Must be the witch doctor. He says the ceremony is spoiled because we've seen it.
Well, calm the old boy down. What's the word for friend?
Bala.
Bala! Bala!
Punya!
Steady with those rifles, boys.
Sita! Malam! Malam Abakero!
What's that?
He says look at the golden woman.
Yeah, blondes are scarce around here.
Malam Abakero! Kong Wa Bisa! Kau Bisa por Kong!
A gift for Kong, he says.
Good Lord.
Gama! Tebo Malam Nahi?
Wants to buy her.
Sana Sita Malam Atikadia! Malam Abakero!
He's offering to trade 6 of his women for Anne.
You got her into this, Denham?
Tida. Tida. Malem ani rota nahi.
I'm gonna take her back to the ship.
Better all get out of here before they think to cut us off from the beach.
I guess so, but tell them we'll be back tomorrow to make friends.
Dulu. Dulu he tego. Bala. Dulu.
Get going, Ann. Don't be scared. Everything's all right. Smile, Ann, and talk to Jack. Keep a chin up.
Say, why aren't you in bed?
Oh, I can't sleep. The sound of those drums makes me nervous, I guess.
I think Denham's off his nut taking you ashore today.
Well, I was a little scared.
I guess you weren't the only one.
I wonder what we do next.
It's just what's worrying me. If Denham's such a fool for risks, there's no telling what he might ask you to do for this picture.
Well, after all he's done for me, I'd take any kind of chance for him.
Don't talk like that. Say he's crazy enough to try anything.
Well, I won't go back on him.
And I think what might have happened today. See, if anything had happened to you...
Well, then you wouldn't be bothered with having a woman on board.
Don't laugh. I'm scared for you. I'm sort of... well, I'm scared of you, too. And, say, I guess I love you.
Why, Jack, you hate women.
Yeah, I know. But you aren't women. Say, Ann, I don't suppose, I mean, well, you don't feel anything like that about me, do you?
Mr. Driscoll, are you on deck?
Yes, sir.
To you please come up on the bridge?
You go on, I'll wait here.
Yes, sir?
There, that's about it.
We'll make absolutely sure tomorrow noon.
Oh, it must be almost midnight. Hey! Look at that.
Torches going through the village.
Yeah. Looks like the night before election. Listen to him. Wonder what's up. Wish I could take pictures by firelight. I'd sneak ashore and get a scene now.
Oh, be sensible. You're lucky to be all safe aboard tonight.
Yeah, I guess so.
Charlie, you seen Missy?
Me not see 1, 2 hours. When we leave this place, me no light.
Ann? Ann?
All hands on deck! Everybody on deck! Everybody on deck! All hands on deck! Everybody on deck! Everybody on deck! What's the matter? What's the matter? Come on outside here! What's the matter? All hands on deck! Look, sir, me find on deck.
Native bracelet.
Crazy black man been here.
What's the matter? Who turned out the crew?
Charlie found this. Someone's been aboard.
Where's Ann? In her cabin. No, she isn't. I just looked. What's the matter, Mr. Driscoll? Check the ship. Find Miss Darrow. Ann! Oh, Ann! Did you see her? No. I'll look below. You find her? Can't find her forward. She's not below. Can't find her aft. Ann's gone!
Serve out the rifles and the boats.
Take this ammunition out there.
Come on, you fellas. Grab these guns. Let's get going. Check these farm places. Be careful. Pass those rifles up over the side. Come on. Let's Here, right up through.
Me like he go too. Me like he catch Macy.
This is no job for a cook. Get out of here. Come on.
Shove her out, men. We're going over the side.
Get away together, men.
Right there. They've taken Ann.
Taratane Kong. Otarave Rama Kong. Wasaba Sanamaka. Otarave Rama Kong.
No telling which way it went.
This darkness. I think she's been through here. Look at those broken
Yeah,
branches.
look at that. Keep up, fellas.
You couldn't lose us now.
Ought to be sun up about now.
Yeah. Just listen to those birds. It's dawn, all right.
Look there.
Nice, Jack.
Holy
Look at hold of that track.
Yeah, that's a track, all right. Look at the size of that thing. He must be as big as a house.
It's a pipe. He's headed this way.
Yeah, come on, fellas, and keep those guns cocked.
He's telling us.
Need to have that thing wrapped around me.
There's another one here. We're on his trail, all right.
Sure, I know that. Come on, fellas. Hey, look at that. Keep quiet, he doesn't see us. one of those bombs. He's going to charge. Keep quiet. Come on. Give him another one. Look out, he's still alive. Shoot! Come on, that got him.
What do you call this thing?
Why, something from the dinosaur family.
Dinosaur, eh?
Yes, Jack. A prehistoric beast. Say, just look at the length of that brute. If I could only bring back one of these alive.
Why'd I tell you?
Come on,
Jack,
you
Jack,
wait,
he's
he's
still
climbing up.
He's still alive. Look out.
Oh, he's through. Come on. We're after Red. Come on, men.
Boy, one swipe of that.
Hear that, Jack?
Yeah,
That's him, boys. Come on.
let's get at it.
Here's his mark again.
Water ahead.
He's down in that fog somewhere. Yeah, that's him splashing through. Come on.
Be careful.
All right, let's finish down there.
Watch the step off, boys.
He must have swum across.
Yeah, well, that's out for us with these guns and bombs.
What about these logs for a raft?
Good idea. We'll make a raft. Come on, fellas, get busy.
Come on. Put those guns down on the bank. Let's get going. All set, everybody? Set. Shut up.
You hear anything?
No, he's miles away by now.
We'll be able to pick up his trail, all right.
Listen.
Quiet. What was it? Oh, look at Look out! Hey, Jack! Jack Driscoll! Hey, Jack!
Yeah. I didn't get you, huh?
No, I got the cover, same as you. Think we're safe now?
There are only 2 of us left alive to save that girl.
Well, I can't get across now.
I don't want you to. You gotta land back and get some more bombs.
Why, you wouldn't follow that beast alone.
Someone's got to stay on his trail while it's hot. Now, maybe I'll get a chance to sneak her away, but if I don't, I'll figure some way to signal you where he's taking her.
Well, I guess that's our only out.
Sure it is. Get going. And don't get yourself killed till you see Englehorn.
Okay, Jack. Good luck. I tell you, Skipper, this Kong is the biggest thing in the world. Why, he shook those men off that log like they were flies.
All those men lost. It's incredible.
Driscoll said he'd try and signal us if he found Ann.
You'll never see either one of them again.
Don't give up, Skipper. There's still a chance for Driscoll.
Well, we'll have to wait till daylight. Then we'll bridge that ravine. Where's that other case of bombs?
Here, sir.
This monster you've seen, you think your bombs will stop him?
We can get close enough to use them. You bet they'll stop him. Oh, have you had any trouble with the natives?
Yes, right after you left.
What happened?
We fired a couple of volleys over their heads and they took to the huts like scared rabbits.
Gunpowder is something new in their lives, huh?
Yeah, they're terrified.
They haven't shown up since.
Oh, Briggs, take a man with you up on the wall and keep your eyes peeled. We'll leave at dawn, whether we get a signal from Driscoll or not.
Yes, sir.
yet.
See any more?
They didn't have a chance.
I'm all right.
What happened? How'd you do it?
Came down the river.
Oh, Jack.
There, you're safe now. We'll have you back on the ship in no time.
Wait a minute. What about Kong?
Well, what about him?
We came here to get a moving picture, and we found something worth more than all the movies in the world.
What?
We've got those gas bombs. If we can capture him alive...
Why, you're crazy. Besides that, he's on a cliff where a whole army couldn't get at him.
Yeah, if he stays there. But we've got something he wants.
Yeah? Something he won't get again.
Hey, look out! It's Kong! Kong's coming! Good work! Come on! Bingo! Bingo! Go!
He'll be out for hours. Send to the ship for anchor chains and tools.
What are you going to
We'll
do?
build a raft to float him to the ship. Why, the whole world will pay to see this.
No chains will ever hold that.
We'll give him more than chains. He's always been king of his world, but we'll teach him fear. We're millionaires, boys. I'll share it with all of you. Why, in a few months, it'll be up in lights on Broadway. Kong, the eighth wonder of the world!
Say, what's Dunham got anyway? Well, it better be good after all this ballyhoo.
Heavens, what a mob.
Well, you would come, and these tickets cost me $20.
I can't sit so near the screen. It hurts my eyes.
This is not a moving picture, madam.
What? And Mr. Denham makes those pictures of those darling monkeys and tigers and things.
But this is more in the nature of a personal appearance, madam.
Well, I never thought I was going to see something.
Say, what is it anyhow?
I hear it's a kind of a gorilla.
Gee, ain't we got enough of them in New York?
I don't like to look at him, Jack. It makes me think of that awful day on the island.
I wouldn't have brought you, but, well, you know how Denham insisted.
Of course, we had to come when he said it would help the show. Do you think we'll really make a lot of money?
Well, enough to pay him back for these clothes anyway. Gee, you know, it's the first time I ever had on one of these open front suits.
Hello there, you're just in time. Gee, Ann, you look great. I'm glad I dressed you up for this show. Well, Jack, $10,000 in the box office. Not bad for one night, huh?
Hey, that's a lot of money.
Ah, that's nothing. We're going to do that every night.
Look at the size of that animal. Hope he's tied up good and tight.
Sure he is. Denham's taking no chances.
Oh, here are the boys from the press. Come in, boys. This is Miss Darrow and Mr. Driscoll.
How do you do?
It was Mr. Driscoll saved you from the ape, wasn't it?
Yes, he was alone, too. All the sailors with him had been killed.
Alone, eh? How'd you ever tackle that baby?
Oh, Mr. Denham got him. But the rest of us were running like scared rabbits. And Mr. Denham had the nerve to stand there and chuck bombs.
Oh, so you're the hero. Come on, give us a story.
Come on. Now, wait a minute. Lay off me, boys. Miss Darrow's the story. If it hadn't been for her, we couldn't have gotten near Kong. He followed her back to the village.
Beauty and the Beast, huh?
That's it. Play up that angle. Beauty and the Beast. Kong could have stayed safe where he was, but he couldn't stay away from Beauty. That's your story, boys.
That's a story. Now, how about a few pictures?
Just a minute. I want you to come out on the stage and take your flashlights out there in front of the audience. I'll go out now and make a speech, tell them about Kong, Miss Darrow, and Mr. Driscoll. Then when I call you, come out there and take the pictures, eh?
Okay.
Stand by, Ann, when I call you. Now, it's all right. We've knocked some of the fight out of him since you saw him. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here tonight to tell you a very strange story. A story so strange that no one will believe it. But ladies and gentlemen, seeing is believing. And we, my partners and I, have brought back the living proof of our adventure. An adventure in which 12 of our party met horrible death. And now, ladies and gentlemen, before I tell you any more, I'm going to show you the greatest thing your eyes have ever beheld. He was a king and a god in the world he knew. But now he comes to civilization, merely a captive, a show to gratify your curiosity. Ladies and gentlemen, look at Kong, the eighth wonder of the world. And now I want to introduce Miss Ann Darrow, the bravest girl I have ever known. There the beast and here the beauty. She has lived through an experience no other woman ever dreamed of. And she was saved from the very grasp of Kong by her future husband. I want you to meet a very brave gentleman, Mr. John Driscoll. And now, before I tell you the full story of our voyage, I'm going to ask the gentlemen of the press to come forward, so that the audience may have the privilege of seeing them take the first photographs of Kong and his captors. All right, boys. Miss Narrow first alone. Stand in front of me, man.
All set, Jack?
Okay.
Make it a good one. Shoot.
Don't be alarmed, ladies and gentlemen. Those chains are made of chrome steel.
It's all right, Ann.
Get them together, boys. They're going to be married tomorrow.
Put your arm around her, Driscoll.
Hey, wait a minute. Hold on. He thinks you're attacking the girl.
I'll let him roar. It's a swell picture.
He can't get
An ambulance is Kong has escaped.
Safe now, dear.
It's like a horrible dream. It's like being back on the island again.
Now, it's all right. Don't worry. I'm going to stay right here with you. Anyhow, you know they're bound to get him.
do? Firefighter searchlights. Get them up on the roof. Yeah, that'll keep them in sight.
Attention all stations. Kong is going west. He is making for the Empire State Building. Stand by for further reports.
If he goes up there, what can we do?
We won't be able to get near him.
Kong is climbing the Empire State Building. He is still carrying Ann Darrow. That is all.
That licks us.
There's one thing we haven't thought of.
What?
Airplanes. If he should put Ann down, and they can fly close enough to pick him off without hitting her.
You're right. Plane. Call the field. Oh, boy, what a story. Come on, Jim. Let's get a first one.
officer. My name's Denham.
Just a moment. Oh, Lieutenant.
Lieutenant, I'm Carl Denham. Carl Denham?
Denham? Oh, that's the man that captured the monk.
Well, Denham, the airplane's got him.
Oh, no. It wasn't the airplanes. It was Beauty killed the beast.
Beauty killed the beast.